Hey, I'm Josh with GME Supply, and in this video we're going to show you how to properly ground cables using an exothermic welding kit from Cadweld. Cadweld has become the go-to manufacturer of exothermic welding supplies for their safety, reliability, and kitting options. In fact, here at GME Supply we've created a few Cadweld kits specifically for the tower construction industry. Our kits include all the welding components typically used during wireless infrastructure construction. They typically consist of 3 to 6 different mold styles, several cases of welding material, and several other accessories. That welding material comes in 2 different forms, either as powder or in convenient K-cups with the Plus Kit. The K-cup kits include an electronic igniter for safer, more consistent welds. Check out this video to see our side-by-side comparison of the regular kit versus the K-cup kit. In this demonstration, we'll be using the parallel splice mold and K-cups from the Plus Kit to splice 2 copper wires. As with any job task, be sure to wear the proper PPE for the job. In this case, you should be wearing gloves and eye protection. To begin, thoroughly clean the mold and the copper wires using the included brush to get rid of any grit or corrosion where the splice will occur. Next, preheat the wire and the mold using a heating torch. This will get rid of any excess moisture in both components that could affect the reaction of the welding material. Any water in your materials will be heated to thousands of degrees during the reaction and expand rapidly. This could cause slag to escape the mold and potentially cause injuries, so be sure to heat your components thoroughly to evaporate any moisture. Now, place both wires parallel in the mold and use the mold handle to clamp it shut. You should feel a click when the clamp is completely closed. Take a glob of the mold sealer and fill the bottom opening of the mold so the weld material doesn't escape. You'll want to make sure your mold is level so the welding material flows into the correct channels once it's been ignited. Place the K-cup of the welding material in the top of the mold with the ignition tab exposed. Attach the electric igniter to that tab and close the top of the mold. Put a little bit of distance between you and the mold and hold the operator button until the ready lights turn off. At this point, the reaction will occur. After the reaction, allow 30 seconds for the mold to cool and you may remove it from the wires. Now you have a permanent splice between the 2 copper wires. Keep in mind this video does not replace official training on how to use this product. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for best practices. For more info on Cadweld exothermic welding and a full selection of kits, components, and accessories, head over to gmesupply.com. Click that subscribe button and follow us on all social media channels. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts. Find it anywhere you listen to podcasts.